or it just pops up.
Got it.
Take it out. So it's actually really, really simple to do. Okay. So now once you do that, you have that saved all the time. So now it doesn't take you an hour and a half to do a proposal. All you have to do is plug and play, put in the client's information, click, and then send it off. Once you send it off to them, they're going to get a notification in their email, and then you're going to get a notification in your email. When they sign it, it's going to switch over from waiting for others to complete it. And you're going to get a notification saying, hey, this has been completed. Okay, so let's go back to here. One thing that, let's see if it does it. Nah, you don't have to do that here. This other stuff. Okay, so that's the thing you need to know with dealing with your proposals. Just make sure that you kind of go through it and play around with it to make sure that it looks as professional as you want it to look. And then after you do that, you can send yourself a copy of it just to see how it looks. Well, you actually don't even have to do that. The best thing to do is just to hit the preview button, and you can see how this is how the proposal looks. See? So it looks pretty professional. And then also on one of AJ's latest videos about doing the proposals, you can actually have a page, say for instance, I guess somewhere around here, right before the terms of service or whatever, where you can add a video. You like, for instance, if you go to a walkthrough and you're providing the customer with a proposal, you can have maybe a 1-minute video, pretty much saying, hey, thank you for allowing us to come tour your facility. We noticed some of the pain points that you had in your facility, which is why you called us in for your appointment. These are how we would attack those things. Hopefully, if you have any questions about our proposal, you will give us a call, and we'll be sure to follow up with you, and we look forward to working with you. It's something kind of simple. It doesn't have to be too extreme. You don't have to do it, but I found that it's kind of something. It's sort of like a technique or a tactic that kind of makes you stand out above other competition, because if they're calling you in for a walkthrough or a consultation, they're calling other companies too, because they normally have to get 3 bid quotes on average. If they're calling you, if you're calling them, you're probably the only person, but if they're calling you,